Hello dear student, I am from Suraj School Rewari. I am Sunaina, your maths teacher. Today I am explaining Let's Evaluate Unit 2 and fifth question of it. In this question given, a person have total income 42,000 and spend on household 4 upon 7 of total income. वो स्पेंड कर रहा है 4/7 पार्ट ऑफ हिज इनकम, अपने इनकम का. स्पेंड ऑन कन्वेंस 1/7 पार्ट एंड ऑन इंश्योरेंस 2,000 रुपीज इज हेयर गिवन. एंड फर्स्टली वी फाइंड कि हाउ मच ही स्पेंड ऑन हाउस होल्ड. हेयर इज गिवन इन फ्रैक्शन यानी 4/7 पार्ट ऑफ हिज इनकम. तो हेयर ऑफ मीन्स मल्टीप्लाई व्हेन वी सॉल्व इट we get 6,000 and 6,000 multiplied with 424,000. Okay, it means he spent on household 24,000 rupees. Okay, now on conveyance this is 6,000. now total spent households, conveyance and insurance 24,000 plus में 6,000 plus में 2,000 and this is your 32,000 rupees. Okay, now we have to find how much he saving. So in total we subtract spending money and we will get 10,000 rupees. Okay, this is your monthly saving कि in 1 month he saved 10,000 rupees. We have to find annually saving, and in 1 year how many months? 12. So 12 multiply with 10,000 we will get 1,20,000. This is the answer of this question. Annually saving how much? 1,20,000 rupees. Now sixth question. In this question given one notebook can be purchased in 12 and 3/4 rupees. One notebook price here is given and this is 12 and 3/4 rupees, and we have to find in 191 1/4 rupees में how much can be purchased notebooks. हम कितनी notebooks purchase कर सकते हैं. तो here we will use divide. Here this divide by this, and firstly we solve convert into improper, and this is your 765/4 and this is your 48 and 351 upon में 4, and now divide sign convert into multiply and reciprocal of 8. 4 cancel by 4 cancel, and this is completely divided on 15. How much we can purchase notebook? 15 notebooks in 191 1/4 rupees. हम इतने रुपए में 15 notebook purchase कर सकते हैं. Okay. Now seventh question. In this question is given there कि 4 and 5/6 multiply which number कि we will get 9 and 1/6. इस नंबर को किस से मल्टीप्लाई करें कि हमें ये आंसर मिले. We are taking here x. Now solve it. We get this is 24 and 5 29/6 multiply x, and this is your 55/6. Now we use here transposition method and reciprocal of it. Now 6 cancel by 6 and x is equal to 55/29. We can write here this is mixed fraction also. This is mixed fraction of 55/29. 29. Okay, whenever we multiply this number with this, we get 9 and 1 upon 6. Now 8th question. Here 8th question कि 5 and 3 upon 7 divide by which number कि we will get 4 upon 7. Here इस नंबर को किससे डिवाइड करें कि हमें 4 upon 7 मिल जाए. तो we solve this. Firstly, this is your 38 upon 7 divide x is equal to 4 upon 7. We use same procedure here. Change into multiply. 4 upon 7. Now transposition method. 1 upon x, 4 upon 7, multiply 7 upon 38. 7 cancel by 7. These both are divided by 2 and we get 2 upon 19. But here is 1 upon x is equal to 2 upon 19 and we have to find here x value. So now find the value of x. Whenever we find the value of x, we get 19 upon 2. Okay, this is your answer. Okay, beta. Thank you. Have a nice day.